Hey, welcome back folks. Patrick Barrett here, your favorite driver education guru, and of course the author and creator of Driver Ed in a Box. Back with a really important coaching tip. And today we're going to do a section on targeting. And this is just part one of a series, actually a 7-part series here that we're going to discuss about targeting, how to target, where to target, why to do it, and how to do it effectively. Today we're talking about at what level should you aim. Now we're talking about the level of your eyes, okay? You should aim at eye level or above, up the center of your intended path as far as you can see. Now we'll talk more in part two about how far ahead you should look, but right now let's just understand the principle of looking at eye level or above. It's a big mistake to look down. I'm going to give you a little exercise and explain why it's a big mistake, and you'll see this. If you take like 3 pennies and you lay them in front of you, just put them in front of you about 3 feet away. Maybe, okay, make it 3 to 5 feet, that's fine. Now, if you look up straight ahead of you, you can notice with your peripheral vision, you can kind of still see those pennies. Right, good. Now, if you take those pennies, though, and you look down at those pennies, and you see the head. Now, are you looking at Lincoln's head, or are you looking at the other side? Okay, so what side are you looking at when you look down at those pennies? Just take a look and see if you can identify which side you're looking at. While you're looking at those pennies, though, you notice you've lost up here. You can't see what's in front of you. That's a very simple principle. You can look up, and still your peripheral vision will allow you to see down, but if you look down, you cannot see up. Very simple. There's no peripheral up there, especially as you begin to focus on something close. And then if you're looking at your communication device, or you're doing something with the controls on the dash, then where are you looking? Yeah, you're looking down, that's right. And you're not going to see what's up. But when you're looking up, you can sometimes see what's down, up ahead in the road. So why is this important? This is an important distinction because unfortunately a lot of driver education materials and courses and standards are based on what are referred to as reference points. Now reference points is a generic term, and in its own right, of course it means something that does make sense. You have a reference by which you go by something. The problem is most of these reference points that they're using are down. People will tell you, look over this part of the hood, line this part of the mirror up to know where the front of the car is so that you can tell that. That you're looking down all these reference points. You're looking down at this part of the window, down at that part of the, everything is what? You're bringing your eyes down. And what happens? When you bring your eyes down, you can't see what? Up, that's right, you can't see what's going on up ahead. That's a big, big, big mistake. People are stupid to do that, but that's where most people are trained, So remember, aim at what level? You aim at eye level or above, okay? And we'll get into that later on as to how you apply this in all sorts of other areas, but remember, that's the position you should have. Aim at eye level or above. You can see up, and still your peripheral will let you see what's going on below. But you can't look down and see up. So remember that when you do practice, practice like your life depends on it, because it does. And if you need any resources at all, anything we can do to help you save someone's life, go to www.driveredinabox.com and get one of our resources. Let us help you save someone's life. And remember, this is Patrick Barrett saying bye now.